How to fix Google Chrome sync paused. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to learn how we can solve the sync paused error on Google Chrome on Windows. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, if your sync has paused for some reason, it's only because you have been logged out of your Google account and you have to log in again. So open up your Chrome browser and click on your Google profile from the top right. Here you will see the option called sign in again or turn on sync again. So you just have to select that option. In my case, I'm still signed in, so my sync is working just fine. But if not, and if I just say I just turn this off for some reason, it will log me out first of all. Then after that, I just have to simply open up my browser here, then again tap on this profile, then tap on turn on sync, and then just go ahead and then verify with my Gmail ID again. And once I verify with my Gmail ID, I'll be simply able to go ahead and then hit the next option and then log in, and then my sync will get turned on again. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.